In this project, I've created a new title, listed here in the project panel in a bin called Titles. But I haven't created any content yet, so I'll reopen this title by double-clicking it. When you reopen a title, it doesn't open in a source view. It opens in the Title Designer. And as you can see, there's no title objects created yet. And as you can see, I haven't created any text or graphical objects yet. I could start creating text and other objects from scratch, but instead, I'll use a title template as a starting point. I can browse templates by clicking this button, or by pressing Command-J on a Mac or Control-J on Windows. This opens a Templates dialog box. The templates include many preset designs organized by category, corporate, education, and so forth. I want to create a lower third identification title, and I can see that there's a category for that. So I'll expand this category and start browsing. I can use the arrow keys to scroll through each one of these title templates. When I found one I like, I just click OK, and the objects are loaded into the Title Designer. With the Selection tool selected, I can select any one of these objects, and I can see its properties listed here in the Title Properties. I'm not going to change any of the properties, like font or color or drop shadow. I'm just going to change the content of these titles. I'll do that by double-clicking the text. This enters editing mode, and then I can highlight the text. And now I'll type in the name of the speaker. His name's Matt. And now I'll click away. I'll do the same thing for the subtitle. I'll double-click it. It enters editing mode. Notice how the text tool is selected. Now I'll select the text and type and I'll click away. As I said, I could modify these objects more or add objects of my own, but I'm happy with this template and I'll leave it as is. Now that I'm finished with the title, I can close the Title Designer. I can see that the title's listed here in the project panel, and I can see its thumbnail up here. But the title hasn't been added to a sequence yet. All I have to do is drag it from the project panel down to the timeline, just as I would any other clip. When I move the CTI to this point, I can see the title is automatically superimposed over the video.